Welcome to Nikit Engineers Robotic Welding Automation Solutions provider in India. In this video, we present the MIG Weld trials conducted using the cutting-edge Micro Circular Welder for our esteemed client, Aerocom. Watch as our expert team demonstrates the exceptional capabilities and precision of our robotic welding automation solutions. At Nikit Engineers, we take pride in offering advanced technology and innovative solutions for industrial applications. Our Micro Circular Welder utilizes state-of-the-art welding techniques, providing superior weld quality and increased productivity. Through this video, you'll gain insights into the seamless integration of our cutting-edge equipment with Aerocom's requirements. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this incredible robotic welding automation journey together. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon.